welcome to a new video from HIMA and their experience at the ACHEMA in this year. So today I'm having here Peter Sieber. Peter Sieber is the Vice President Strategic Marketing here at HIMA Group. And today it's about streamlining engineering, automated testing and endurance compliance. So Peter, welcome here.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah. So what is the motivation for the thinking about digital functional safety?
Well, in fact, what we are talking about is digitalization of functional safety. The rationale for that is that if we are looking at the real root causes of accidents happening in the process industry, we can see that about 80% of these accidents go back to human errors. So that means the real technical malfunction without human influence we can neglect. And vice versa, if we want to improve, we have to focus on the support processes. And all these support processes are ideal areas for digitalized working processes and procedures where digitalization can help to improve functional safety.
Mm-hmm. And when you showed this at ACHEMA, what is rationale for that?
Well, again, the rationale is that we feel that digitalization as such has a great potential to improve the reliability of safety systems and by doing so functional safety of process plants, but also have a great potential for the operators of chemical plants to save money, to get more effective, to get more flexible. And if you're looking at the overall economical situation, this is one of the other key challenges that grew up during the recent years. Mm-hmm. This is why we're reflecting on this development during our presentation at the ACHEMA trade show.
Mm-hmm. You talk about one benefit. When you think of the benefits, carrying out of proof testing automatically, and do you really achieve a 100% test coverage or?
No, in fact, 100% proof test is something that only can be achieved if you remove a device from the process plant, put it on a test bench and really test it, right? However, we can achieve a complete testing of all the electrical elements, and by testing what we can test automatically, the overall reliability of the devices grow up, because everything you can test automatically cannot lead to an unwanted occurrence during the operation. So automated testing is not a 100% testing of all pieces of equipment, but is significantly improving the test procedures, the test effort, and of course also the evaluation of the test results.
So now let's look directly to your booth. What can the visitors expect on your booth at the ACHEMA 2024?
Well, what we are presenting to the visitors at our booth at the ACHEMA 2024 is a complete overview about all the different elements of functional safety. We are doing this partly by live connections from our ACHEMA booth to our Customer Experience Center in Brühl, near Mannheim, and partly via presentations where we demonstrate what we developed, what we achieved, and how customers are thinking about digitalization of functional safety.
Mm-hmm. What is the background of your offering, for example, for streaming engineering?
Well, the background is that if you look at the traditional way, how today safety systems are engineered, then quite often we find situations where there is somewhere a functional logical diagram that has been created 10 years ago and it is copied from plant to plant. Now you can do that, but this is not the most effective, because at the end of the day all the plants are a little bit different. And these small modifications that have to be done, have a great potential for human errors to be injected, and on the other hand side cost a lot of time and effort. What we are doing is we are providing a new concept for a complete digitalized engineering workflow, including the automated generation of application software, including the automated proof testing of software, but also the complete installations, so that all in all, following this workflow, customers reporting back savings between 50 and 70% of the entire engineering effort that is required to establish a new installation.
Yeah, Peter, thanks for the interesting insights to your ACHEMA booth. If you want to learn more, please come to ACHEMA, go to the HIMA booth, and yeah, we see you in Frankfurt.
Thank you. See you in Frankfurt.